Hello friends, you're welcome back to the Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video I want to show you how much so far in 24 hours I've mined from this Tether Gold. Now, like you know about the Tether USDT, yes, that is equivalent to $1. This one is also equivalent to $1. It's called XAUT. That's what it is. It's called Tether Gold. Now, so when you have, look at what I'm having here already. This in less than 24 hours I started doing this. But let me just say it's 24 hours. I've already garnered up to $17 from this mining. I have a video I prepared, I think that was yesterday, on this. Someone came writing rubbish. Go online, whenever you see stuff like this, go online and make your research. This is the same way you are using USDT, the Tether, USDT and all that. This is exactly what this is all about. The same thing, the same project, the same company, the same blockchain project, the same thing. So don't joke about this. Nobody's asking you to pay such amount of money. So this is the time to mine. And mind you, this mining will not last forever. So this is the only time you have to be part of this. So this is exactly what I've earned so far. Now let me tell you how it goes. Now you can see here, I have 100% here. Are you seeing it? You've seen this 100%. So it means that the mining energy has been filled up to 100%. It's no longer moving. I need to mine to clear it. So after that, it will come up again. So once it comes up, I need to mine it. So how do I do it? I'll still show you a few other things. If you are new, actually, for those who have watched this video before, like I posted yesterday, they know what to do. Now I keep tapping. It's all about tapping this. It's as I'm tapping it, the energy is reducing while the coin is increasing. That's exactly how to do this. So I'm going to do this until I exhaust the energy that is already here. And once it goes up again, I now come back to mine. So you can see it, Now, apart from this, there are so many other ways. One of the ways is to, if you make referral, but this referral is not compulsory. You click here, it's going to take you back to your Telegram, because you start doing this from the Telegram bot. Actually, when you register now with the link I'm going to drop with you, you're going to see it's a Telegram bot. You click on play or start. Then the system requires that you know, there's a drop down that shows you, okay, look at what to do, visit the site. And once you click on it, you're going to find yourself here. Still part of it. If you want to go back now to that Telegram bot, all you need to do is what? Click here. Look at this up here where you have your X. Just click here to go out. It will take you back to that Telegram. Let me try it and show you. I click on this place, I'm back here. So anytime I want to go back to where we are coming from, I need to just click on play. So see here, now let me click on play. It's going to take me back to, that's exactly what you're going to see. It's coming up again, that's it. So I tap. Now, apart from referral, now you can as well perform other tasks to earn more. I'll perform some of these tasks. You can perform what we call special tasks. That is joining social media platform of the system. You earn. And that task is, this one is achievement tax. I've qualified for the bronze. I move over to the bronze. Now I've earned silver. So I'm going to claim it. Once I claim it, now see what is going to happen. It's going to be added to it, this place. I claim this. It will be added. Are you seeing it? That is 5. Plus that's 17. That is 22. Now you have been added. So the next achievement I'm targeting is the gold, whatever. You can see where I am. I've not yet done that. After that gold, then you have platinum, you have diamond, you have master, you have grandmaster, and so on and so forth. You can also, increase your earning through this referral tax. So there are a lot of whatever. This one says claim. I've invited up to one friend, so I can make a claim of this. I've invited up to 3 friends. I can also make a claim of this. You understand? So anyone you qualify, if I have up to 10 friends now, I will get more of this. So for now, I think I have 3 friends that have joined me. So you can see how I'm increasing this. Let's go to special tasks. For instance, you click on this to join. You click on start mission. That's how to do this. But you can see the system say mission completed because I've done this. I don't need to do them again. So I go back to my tapping and then do this. It's increasing. So to make the thing increase more for you, make sure you perform these tasks. Remember, all these tasks are free. The leak task is all about, as we are moving on through this tapping, that one is increasing automatically. That's achievement task. Why the one you see on socials, it's all about you maybe joining, following their Twitter, joining their Telegram group and all that, and then the system will pay you. So please, I encourage you, don't miss this. Telegram, so many of us don't even know what is going on now. That Telegram has become a blockchain, system. A lot of things going on. So anytime you see all these coins now, especially the one that have to do with tapping, going on Telegram, don't think it's a joke. Something big is happening here. If you're new to our channel, don't waste time to subscribe, because we're going to bring about things like this often and on. We're already part of this project, and we're going to be dishing it out to you every moment. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Check the description part of this video. You're going to see the link to join. And then if you have more questions, use the comment box. I'll be right there with you to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.